Hi, my name is Jack, and this is the all-new Train Simulator 12 game. Now with multiplayer. It has all new routes such as southern China and many more. You can play with your friends from all over the world. Keep the manual. If you don't have the code in the manual, you cannot play the game. If anything goes wrong, use the manual.
Hi, my name is Teddy, and I want to say that last year's Train Simulator was awesome, and we love it, but this year's has many more improvements. All new Trains multiplayer. You can operate, build, and share railroads with your friends. You can drive steam, diesel, and electrical trains and use the rail driver. It feels like you're actually driving a real train. It's so awesome.
Hi, my name is Ava, and this is my first year working with model trains. I've been helping my dad, and I already been painting people, and maybe I will be playing the new game.
Thank you for supporting DCC Train.